Can you connect your wealth charts to TradingView or not? Now, the simplest answer to this question is no, you cannot connect your wealth charts to TradingView. But if you still want to check if you can or cannot, because sometimes you might be able to do that, so in order to check that, simply open your TradingView app and then go to the trade section in order to connect with any of the broker that you have. Now, from here, you can see all of the broker by tapping into show all brokers, and it will show all of the brokers that is available in the trading view for the connection. Now, if you see wealth charts in here, you can easily just select wealth charts and connect to that, or you can also use the search button in order to search for the wealth chart from here. Now it seems that the wealth chart option is not available in order to connect with TradingView. That means you have to separately use both platforms. You cannot connect them to each other. And I hope this is the sum of the video. I hope this was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.